Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you the laptop screen replacement for the HP Pavilion Compact P030 in R. There's a link in the description to laptopscreens.com, and for this tutorial all you'll need is a credit card, preferably one that you don't want to use anymore, and a Phillips head screwdriver. So first we'll start off by removing the battery. Comes out really easily. Make sure that there's no power connected to the laptop. Then you're going to want to get your card, and to remove the screen there are no screws involved, but this bezel here pops out quite nicely. You might have to come around the edge to start. Once you get one side, you can just go right down along the line. It's tricky. Want to be careful of the camera in the center. Now once all the sides taken out, the tricky part comes at the bottom here. The screen's actually connected there's a little part that actually pops out here on the bottom, right where the two colors come together. You have to get this unclipped. And it looks like that when you open up the laptop a little bit more. It comes apart right there. Do the same for the other side. Once you've gotten all the clips popped out, you have to lean the screen back this way so that this part slides out here, and it goes on both sides. And then you can lay your screen down like this. Be careful of the cords. And then there's one ribbon connector right toward the bottom. Just peel up the sticker. And be careful. Just gently pull it out. It comes right out. Then lastly, there are 4 screws connected around here. Use your Phillips head to remove them. And you may have tape connecting your digitizer to the back part of the screen, but it comes off really easily. You lift up the screen and it's completely out, ready for replacement.